Alright, so I know about we're going. Shit. You know iPhone, is your lighting any better? Is that any better on your camera?
Actually, yes, I can turn up the ISO.
Alright, turn it on right now and I'm sure say no. Come, I can do this. Watch her. Watch her.
Yeah,
watch her.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Alright, hey guys. I was trying to get there. Why you have to lick it right in the big number vlog? Russia, I say you stay. But anyway, because China K there, I forgot to do the China K introduction. Hi guys! Hi, welcome to my channel. It's On My Mind series. And today's episode, today we're upon, China K ends and we are just having a little togetherness.
Yes.
And just so you know, so before all of this, I asked all of my friends to quarantine for 2 weeks and we were able to isolate and then we whisked off to a private island where we were, checked upon multiple times from different health members and so we're completely good. So. Oh yeah, this was from 2018.
Well.
And so yeah, Yaadman Ethan is going back to whence he came from, so we just decided to have a nice little, a little togetherness and that's just that. Over here, so we have the down dog and over here, so. Where you grow the beard fight? So if you move your roll? No, it's Oh, okay, because I bet a seat in the area.
More try to understand.
All right, and so over here, so we have Alex.
Yeah.
So you're unsteady. You know overshoot things into holes. You know overshoot things into holes, Alex. You never miss.
What do you think with the hole there?
I'm gonna say this right now. If you get it down the hole, you know so that you are really top shot out the road. Watch you now. Watch you now, man. Nah miss.
Fuck.
Oh wow, so that's just so it go. Over here, so this girl that has a very unique mask. No man, how much oil you have in your back, so Rochelle. How much how are you? Show the people your mask. Show them the special opening. You see that? And over here, so I guess the guys that the guy that likes to see things like that, Yaadman eats and how it's doing. Huh?
So when I'm at bomb.
Yeah man, I see you training for the 110 meter hurdles.
Isn't me? Like I like to jump over things, isn't it? And obstacles. I know 2020 has been a very
Yeah, but you say lots of yeah.
Red flag.
And yeah, I'm kind of, if you don't know, I'm a little bit tipsy, just a little bit. And so yeah. All right, Joel is at it. Wow, true professional. What is his name? Golf?
Yeah, bro, golf.
Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, man. So they're playing golf. Alright, but show you, sir. My friend, a real killer. Him know of real. Nah, miss. Watch out. Jesus, be watch out, man. The close man. I'm because I never want it in there. Yeah, man. No, watch out now. Watch out. I'm gonna say, yo. Yeah, man. I saw you go, man. Watch out. Which one? Watch your style, man. Bomba. Man, I riv. Yeah, Alex, how you feel about this game?
Stop, bro.
Watch out now. Watch out now. I just want any for connect, you know it go. You know the egg thing go. I just want any. One need for connect. All right.
A few moments later.
All right. Try the Negos dance. Yeah. All right. Close it up. Commercial, get the people in my dance. Oh, bless, man. My gosh. What light? Just give me the light. Would I be here? Turn off now. No. Ready. I'm ready. Alright, give people them some joy. Come in, rush it, yeah. Alright. Oh. Come in, give the people them something, man. Give the people them something. Give the people them. Alright. People them can't see them. Come in and give the people them something. Rush it in. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah.
I feel away.
Something everybody follow. Yaadman, your turn. You do something everybody has to follow. Alright. Yeah. Everybody follow. Alright, the Alex first. Alright. Where are you going? Alright. Yeah. Ready. Alright. Let's see how we're going to move on. Get them. Yeah. Old man. Everybody here. What's that? Old man. Old man. Alright, come back. Come in, Jamaican. Come do a move now. Come on, you guys. Alright, man, here we go. Hold on. Watch it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm Jamaican. 2 words to Yaadman. Watch Oprah come now. Watch Oprah.
Looking off this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, make sure you guys come to Jamaica a little bit more often because, you know, it's nice to have you here and it's awesome to get great content from Jamaica. So yeah, we're totally gonna miss you and hopefully you come back like, you know, when this COVID thing is over so you don't have to waste 14 days in quarantine because it's totally like a waste of time. So yeah, Oprah started out. Tour for tour.
We can like full body hug you.
The full body hug?
Like a full body hug.
Oh, this is really...
You're so right.
Right guys, 10 push challenge, 10 push challenge. 10 push challenge, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was so randomly random. Well, that is it. For this video. We're kind of a little bit not really here together, but I hope that we. Yeah.
I'm so cutting into your video.
Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please to hit the
subscribe and like and
comment and share and
share.
And some.
No, I like to do this with my subscribers. Me know woman.
Just do the damn thing, is it me?
No, no, ladies. Me know say have more than one man. Me know say have more than one woman. Is me I say so. Make sure say you subscribe, keep the vibe with the whole of your woman them, with the whole of your girl them, with your sister, your mother, your auntie, your sister, your brother them. Come on.
Yo, we're fresh. We're kind of fresh. What kind of fresh? 3 trees.
3 trees and I.
Oh, what? Bright.
Oh,
yo, we're kind of gone, but we're still bright. 4 times 8.
4 times 8.
Watch.
32.
Oh, what? What the capital? St. James.
St. James. Montego.
What the capital? St. Elizabeth. What? School challenge quiz. Oh my gosh. What the capital of Kingston?
Kingston.
What the capital of Shensia? Me.
Romy is the capital. 1, 2. Is it me? You good? We're going to. Why the man have to turn me to get the light from me? Alright, we're going to. I know I'm drunk now. Is it me? Boy. Yaadman. Is it me? I say. Duttyberry. Is it me? I say.
What are we gonna do with these alcohol?
5 verbs that rhyme with fat.
5 verbs.
5 words that rhyme with fat.
Bat.
Yeah.
Cat.
Yeah.
Sat.
Yeah.
Sat is a verb. Words.
Yes, words.
Mat.
Yeah. One more. Hat.
Hat. There we go. Yeah. Oh, ma'am.
Yeah. And cravat, if you know French. Then cravat means tie. But you don't know them things, you never learn them something there already.
Mat. I never saw mat.
Okay. Flat.
Flat.
The earth is flat. The earth is flat.
So,
is that right?
Slat.
Is that right?
Is it what I say?
Plat.
Plat. Clat. Vlat.
What?
What?
What's not?
Mat. Sat.
Who found something here?
Alright, so this is go straight into the group now. So like just as we both for gonna leave, guess who makes a guest appearance? You all have ducky face either sin.
Okay, face more. What you doing?
Show your face, Yola.
Yeah, come add some little light. We need to just like see there. Yes man, look there, show what time?
Our time,
9:50. Way
That's
an
luck.
hour after curfew, she's gonna show up. Hi guys, I still arrived. I still came to show some love to Yaadman, who's going foreign tomorrow. So
You know, so the same thing. At the same, so the last time we had to get together at Chilitos, Yola came away from me trying to shoot at the parking lot. Yes, yes, she came. I would have to meet her at the parking lot. So yeah, that's it anyway. I'm trying to see if I can